Aura App Review 2025 Pros and Cons. Honest and unbiased. Most people get this wrong, but identity theft usually starts quietly long before money disappears. Aura is designed to stop that, but does it actually deliver in 2025? Let's break it down clearly and honestly. Aura is an all-in-one digital security app that combines identity theft protection, credit monitoring, password management, in-access, and antivirus tools into a single subscription. Instead of juggling multiple apps, Aura aims to cover everything in one place. Here's how it works. Once you sign up, Aura monitors your personal information, including social security numbers, bank accounts, and credit files. If suspicious activity is detected, you receive near-instant alerts. Aura also includes credit monitoring from major bureaus and offers identity theft insurance coverage for eligible losses. One major advantage is simplicity. The dashboard is clean and easy to navigate, even for users who aren't tech-savvy. The surprising truth is that many identity protection services overwhelm users with alerts, but Aura focuses on clarity and urgency. Another pro is family coverage. Higher-tier plans protect multiple adults and children, which is valuable as child identity theft continues to rise. However, you won't believe what happens next if you're expecting a free plan. Aura is subscription-based only and pricing can feel high compared to basic credit monitoring services. Some advanced features like VPN and antivirus may also feel redundant if you already use similar tools. Another downside is that Aura doesn't replace good digital habits. It's protection, not prevention alone. In conclusion, Aura is best for people who want comprehensive digital protection in one app. If convenience, speed, and peace of mind matter to you, Aura is a strong identity security option in 2025.